In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the lip sync in Higgsfield. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is head on over to Higgsfield AI. Now, we've got a few different options how to access this. So on the main page, you might see the lip sync studio. If we scroll down a bit, here it is here, and click into that. Or we can click on the video tab and click into lip sync studio. Now from here, we can go ahead and upload an image if you want that image to be transferred into a video, a lip syncing video. And then from here, we can type in what the character can say. We can give it a prompt. We can choose a model, duration, and resolution. Now to the right, we can go ahead and upload an image or video, add any photo or clip as your base. We can generate audio, upload audio. So upload audio, type to generate speech, and select the model and generate. So you can choose a model and create your video. So depending how you want to do it. So what I've done here, I've just added some audio text, or we can generate audio. So we can go ahead and click on generate if you want, and you can upload it or audio text. Now here's my prompt. Now to get this started, we can go ahead and click on generate for 9, but I don't think I've got enough credits for this, and I need to go ahead and upload an image as well. Okay, so I've added in my image here, and now we've got an estimated wait time. So depending how busy they are, you're going to get a wait time, and especially if you're using the free plan and you're not subscribed. So we can click on generate faster, but you're going to subscribe to one of their plans here. So yeah, you can just wait it out. So for me, it's going to be 45 minutes. Then after that, you're going to see this video